A new education policy. The report will be submitted within 4 days, but there is no proper infrastructure in Goa also.
Actually, the new education policy requires thorough debating. It cannot be just implemented by the stroke of the pen. आमगे infrastructure ready ना. आमगे काय सध्या फकत infrastructure need backup काय ना. So I don't know how they are to push ahead with this national education policy without having the basics in place. मागी एक पार्टी फेल जाली जाल्यार मागी ते सगळे स्कूल मागी बंद करूंक पडटले. It is not only infrastructure, physical infrastructure, teachers and other things which are required to be put in place. And these kind of things must take time for implementation. It can't be pushed in a one button manner.
So हेजेर रिसर्च करपाचो आसा सरकार डिटेल स्टडी.
सो हांव एक सांगता आतां वोकेशनलाचे मार बसतलो. सो वोकेशनल स्पेशल आसताले आमचे भुरगे सगळे ग्रॅज्युएशन करून तांकां जॉब मेळना. वोकेशनला थ्रू मेळटाले. आतां ते इनकॉर्पोरेट करूंक सोदता थिंगा आनी ते आनी कसले मेस जालो आहा थिंगा. आमगे स्पेशली CRM तसले आशिल्ले ते ट्रेड्समॅन ते सगळे वयतले आनी ताका मार बसतलो आनी आमचे भुरगे आतां आनी बेकार आसतले. सो आय थिंक दे शूड reconsider and think about this and think it in the benefit of Goa and the Goans. And if you can't provide jobs, at least let this outlet be there for people to be happy.